Hey, I'm Martin and I help manufacturing companies to make great quality products. And I think today we stand at a pivotal moment in manufacturing where the pursuit of efficiency and cost reduction meets the imperative of our environmental responsibility. And our journey towards sustainability is filled with challenges. Waste management, energy conservation, and the quest to reduce our carbon footprint, all while maintaining the pace and the cost of effectiveness demanded by the modern market. But here lies an opportunity for digital transformation. And this isn't just about the wholesale replacement of the old with the new, it's about the strategic integration of advanced digital tools into the very heart of our manufacturing operations. So just imagine a world where manufacturing execution systems, the Internet of Things, AI, and big data analytics not only enhance our operational efficiency, but also pave the way for more sustainable manufacturing. Sustainability has evolved from a buzzword to the fundamental cornerstone of modern manufacturing. And I think it's about going beyond simply meeting our environmental responsibilities, and it's about creating a future where our industrial activities and the natural world not only coexist but thrive together in harmony. And the drive towards this sustainable future is propelled by various forces. The regulatory frameworks that are becoming increasingly constricted, reflecting a global consensus on the urgent need for environmental preservation. Meanwhile, there's been a massive shift in consumer consciousness towards eco-friendly products, and that's reshaping the market dynamics. But embracing sustainability isn't just about navigating regulations or market demands, it's also a strategy that delivers tangible benefits right across the board. So let's delve deeper into what this transformative shift means for the world of manufacturing. So first, sustainable practices often lead to significant operational efficiencies. By optimizing resource usage and embracing renewable energy, manufacturers can often achieve considerable cost savings. So that isn't just good for the planet, it's also smart business sense. Also, sustainability enhances a brand's reputation like literally nothing else. In today's world, being recognized as an environmentally responsible manufacturer can bolster your brand image, earning you customer loyalty and respect far and wide. And let's not overlook the new market opportunities that sustainability opens up, because there's a growing segment of consumers and businesses eager to support and invest in products that are produced in an eco-friendly manner. Tapping into this market can drive your growth and innovation of your business. So let's just take a look at the digital transformation side of it, because it can represent a significant leap towards a future where the integration of data and connectivity fundamentally transforms manufacturing's capabilities, harnessing the power of innovation not just to drive efficiency and productivity, but also to embed sustainability into the DNA of your manufacturing business. And central to this transformative shift are sophisticated systems and technologies that are purpose-built to elevate the intelligence of our manufacturing operations. And one of those manufacturing execution systems serves as a cornerstone because they can give real-time insights and comprehensive control throughout the production journey. It transcends just monitoring to actively enable informed decision-making backed by the precision of data. And when we navigate through the realm of digital transformation, its role with revolutionizing sustainability becomes increasingly clear. I think there are significant milestones here: the intelligent use of resources, achieving remarkable energy efficiencies, supply chain integrity, and streamlining regulatory compliance. The adoption of smart technologies leads to an unprecedented level of resource optimization. And by using MES and IoT, we can adjust our energy consumption in real time, reducing waste and optimizing our environmental footprint. This approach goes beyond energy use into the entire material life cycle, making sure every resource is utilized to the maximum, supporting a circular economy. And the transparency given by digital transformation goes even beyond our supply chains. Blockchain and advanced analytics are showing that the origins and journeys of materials like never before, allowing us to partner with suppliers who share our commitment to sustainability. And the transparency isn't just about ethics, it's a strategic advantage, ensuring the integrity of our products all the way through to our customers. And then regulations, navigating those hasn't been easier with the automated data collection and compliance reporting. This saves time and reduces the risk of error, but it also showcases our sustainability efforts and our commitment to environmental clearly. So, if you wanted to implement a digital transformation for sustainability, it would start with a critical evaluation of where we stand today and where we need to go, where the destination is. Conducting a thorough assessment of our current processes, identifying gaps, and then pinpointing opportunities for integrating sustainable practices is a great place to start. This planning phase is crucial, and it requires us to map out a strategic approach to adopting the technologies that will drive that sustainability goals forward. And I think central to this journey is the MES. It doesn't just collect data, I think it serves as a cohesive force that integrates digital tools like IoT sensors to analytics under one umbrella for sustainable manufacturing. Leveraging this sophisticated platform ensures that every aspect of our production is aligned with our sustainability objectives, from reducing energy usage to optimizing resource usage. But going into digital transformation isn't without its challenges. The investment can seem daunting, encompassing not just the finances for the new technologies, but also the resources needed for upskilling our workforce. Adapting to a new digital culture requires a significant shift in mindset across all levels of the organization, from the shop floor to the leadership. But these obstacles aren't insurmountable. By strategically investing in comprehensive training, we can bridge the skills gap by empowering our workforce with the knowledge and the tools that they need to thrive in a digitally transformed environment. Cultivating the culture of innovation is equally vital, encouraging open-mindedness, creativity and adaptability among all the team members. This cultural shift, coupled with a clear vision and strategic planning, paves the way for successfully navigating the challenges of a digital transformation. So in essence, while the journey towards digital transformation for sustainability has its hurdles, with careful planning, targeted investment and fostering a culture that embraces change, we can turn these challenges into stepping stones and innovation for growth. So wrapping up, digital transformation is our plan not to just achieving and exceeding our sustainability goals in manufacturing. It's about future-proofing our industry, ensuring economic viability, whilst also respecting our planet's ecological limits. And at Metis Automation, we're committed to leading this charge. Join us in embracing a digital era that promises not just sustainability, but a brighter future for manufacturing. You can discover more about how digital transformation can redefine sustainability in our latest blog post. Just click on the link below and you can make sustainability the foundation of our modern manufacturing future together.